Welcome back to another knife review, guys. I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing on a Monkey Edge Strider recent release. So a couple new Striders were dropped actually, and this is an SMF 3/4 grind. Check this out. Give you guys a chance to read that. This latest run of SMFs, the quality is just unreal. I mean, look at that lock engagement. It's got a lot of room for wear. The aluminum gunner grip. The pattern that they've been doing on the flaming is also really well done. This has the RWL 34, the old school tiger stripes, and a 3/4 grind. A really nice example of an SMF. Perfectly centered blade. Really nice smooth action. Alright guys, that's about it. I just wanted to showcase this thing. So a really nice example. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you want to see more of these high-end knife reviews, just let me know.